awesome. I finally took the time today to figure out how to put my bungee ponytail extension in my hair. I have had this thing for almost a year and it was still in its original package, and now with quarantine I finally had time to figure it out. And so if you're interested, follow me. First thing you need to do, because when you first get it out of its package, it is super silky straight, and it's not gonna blend with anybody's hair. So you just need to wet it down. You don't even have to shampoo it, you just need to wet it down. So I just put it in the shampoo bowl, but you can do your sink, and hold it at the top and just get all of this wet. After it dries, you are ready to install your ponytail bungee. I am by no means a pro at putting these in. Now the Halo ones I can put in like 2 seconds flat, but these ones I am still learning and they have a little bit more of a technique. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So they have these little bungee hooks that go around your ponytail. And it also has this little clip in the middle that you are going to hook that, it's more like a hook, sorry. Hook that hook in over one of the rubber bands that you put your actual ponytail holder. Or hook it into one of your ponytail holders. That was kind of where I struggled when I was just practicing for like 15 minutes or so before I decided to video. So we'll see. It is kind of a struggle. I thought that maybe I could figure out another way to do it, but we'll see. So first, you need to put your hair in your actual ponytail. And the most flattering place to put your ponytail follows your jawline, and it just goes straight up. So the rule is go straight up over your ears and right there. See, there is a distinct line right there, my jawline and where I'm gonna put the hair. And I like to have hair left out when I have a ponytail. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, because if I secure the ponytail and I don't have hair sticking out or like out, it might just be more of a headache, right? So the other thing I have found with these things is, so you want that to have an angle, but then lower it just a little bit, and you'll see why a little later. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a half of a ponytail, and it's nice and secure, okay? So cute, so 80s. Okay, so then go ahead and you collect, and I love the word marry. You marry the hair that was left out and then the ponytail together with your other rubber band. And now these rubber bands are not the ones from Hidden Crown, but I do think that it came with 2 rubber bands inside. So that's good. Okay, so now there you have it. You have a ponytail, little tiny ponytail. Okay, I made it super tight. Probably could have made it a little less tight, but that's okay. Okay, so then I kind of like to play around with my hair, make sure it doesn't look too slick back. I don't mind a couple of bumps. My daughter cannot stand pony bumps with her ponytail, but I don't mind them. I think that they add texture and character. So, okay, so now comes the ponytail extension. So we take this little hook. This is the one part I struggled with. So if I look like I'm struggling, it's probably because I am. Okay, you take a rubber band, one of your elastic bands, and you hook that hook in. Oh, I got it. Okay, then you take the first bungee and you take it all the way over. Oh, I hope I'm not messing this up again. Okay, all the way over and hook it. And then the other one, you want to take, I hope you guys can see, I am totally doing this and take it all the way over and hook. Okay, I didn't think that first one hooked, so I can feel it. I'm just gonna go ahead and hook it. Okay. Ta-da! Okay, I'm not feeling like I love the way that feels, but just for the sake of the video, We're gonna go ahead, take part of the ponytail and wrap it around. You can take part of your hair, but I like to take part of the extension. And then, let's see. And I know it comes with bobby pins, but I don't know what happened. And so you take a bobby pin and you pin that hair that you just wrapped around. I love to do crisscrosses. Any and all of my clients who I've ever done an updo on know how much I love and appreciate bobby pins, so the more the merrier. And so look, there it is. Okay, I feel pretty confident with the way that that just all came together, right? So you have this cute little ponytail. It's a little bit dirty per se because we wet it down, right? See, this is why you want to leave the hair down. It's more flattering, and if we were trying to pull it out, it would just mess with it, right? Okay, so it's good to plan ahead. Now, what I like to do is I like to curl extensions. I think that it makes them look a little bit more blended, a little bit more stylish. So, but you always kind of have to add a little bit of hairspray. And this is one of my favorite hairsprays ever. It's the Strong Flexi Hold from Monet. I love this stuff. And I kind of just let that air dry. And then I'm gonna go through and curl my hair. I love this stuff. I feel like everybody loves this stuff. Everybody needs this stuff. It is our texturizing spray, and I love it. And it just makes your hair have that little bit of grit and a little dirt, and it's amazing. I also forgot to mention that I sprayed this in my hair before I put my hair in a ponytail. It's just I did it when I styled my hair in the house. It just gives it that extra hold, that extra grit. And so there we go. I'm super stoked. You guys, this is great for like second or third day hair. And I love it. Again, it's not, I mean, if I really wanted to spend time really perfecting it and stuff, that's great. But I think the messier a ponytail is, the better. And I don't know, I might end up eventually kind of snipping the ends, layering it a little bit more, but for right now, I'm just super happy that I finally know how to put the bungee extension ponytail in my hair. So I hope that you guys all have a great day and that this helped. Make sure to subscribe on my channel because I will constantly be coming up with new hair tutorials. And yes, and press the notification bell as well, so then you're really notified when I'm on. So, all right, see you later.